Just like butter, huh?
Yeah, it's just like butter. Stay tuned.
Like a bird on a tree.
I'm Dad. We're going to go fishing, huh, buddy?
I'm just sitting here.
Oh yeah!
I got time. It's clear.
Who are you?
I'm Connor.
And I'm Dad. We're out here. We're building a styrofoam / plastic cutter. I have an old golf club handle, and then we're going to use a rechargeable battery as well. So I just cut it off, drilled a hole in this piece of wood, stuck it in there with some wood glue, and then mounted this little switch. And there you go. You got a little on-off switch right there. And then I wrapped the handle in Gorilla Tape because the handle was the rubber was just flaking off. Mount the battery at the top as well, and it'll be replaceable or rechargeable. Here's the glue gun. Alright, so we got the one side on. Connor's on the glue gun again. Nope.
Hello, my name is Connor and Dad's coming over here. Oh.
We finished this up, but we didn't have it all on camera, did we? Because we forgot we needed this little wire, which I believe is the Nichrome wire.
Yeah, Nichrome.
Water heater element, and I just cut it off and then took the Nichrome out of the center, which wasn't easy because it had all the clay and stuff in there, ceramic in there, so you had to kind of knock it out. But so this is our version finished up. We got the two legs on it, got the Nichrome wire in there, and then we got on-off button with a rechargeable battery. Got the recharger inside, so we can just swap them out when we need to. Well, here it is.
Yeah.
You gonna test it for us? Squeeze the button. Ready? I got it. Ready?
Yeah.
Just like butter, huh?
Yeah, it's just like butter.
Alright, squeeze it. Very cool. Don't touch your fingers on it, it's gonna burn it. Alright, let off. You don't want to keep holding it too long.
Yeah, if it gets red, it'll be too much.
Yep. So that's our version of the styrofoam cutter with battery pack, but there's plenty of versions out there, isn't there, buddy? So, but we made our own so we could have two,
Styrofoam.
so we could recharge the batteries.
Yep. This is really cool. Oh.
It's like it was just butter, huh?
Yeah, it's like the styrofoam is just butter. It's just butter.
Alright, let's clean up the mess and
Yeah.
we're done.
Yeah, we're done. Bye.